Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the suit edge, and lasso sewing is predictable. Lay the net lace right side up along the fabric edge, line up the decorative scallop with the hem. Measure and mark a 1/4 seam allowance, and clip curves every 1/2 to reduce bulk. Once pinned every inch, press the fabric flat to stabilize fibers, because a smooth base prevents puckering and keeps the lace pattern continuous as you move to the next step. You baste first to lock placement. Do a long stitch 3-4 mm to hold the lace without distorting it. Once the lace is basted and pins removed, switch to a tighter stitch, 0 to 2.5 mm on a machine, or use a neat backstitch by hand, because a firm stitch secures delicate net to heavier suit fabric. Sew the inner band edge first to anchor, then make a second pass, catching the scallop edge. So the decorative. You finish by trimming excess allowance and pressing the seam toward the lining with low heat to set stitches. This flattens the join and reduces bulk. Clean any stray threads and reinforce high-stress spots with a small zigzag or bardak so the lace won't pull away. If you see puckering, don't panic. Carefully unpick the seam, repress both layers, ease the net gently while rebasting, and then re-sew slowly. This fixes tension problems and preserves the lace pattern.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.